Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you would like to translate voice message in WhatsApp, voice to text, you may just head over and follow up these settings for that. So you can head over and open up your WhatsApp application for that, and you can start enabling the voice message transcripts for that. So go to WhatsApp settings. You can access it up by tapping on the three dot in the top right corner and go to settings from here. Once you go over to settings here, you should be finding different options. You can look out for the option called chats and tap on it. After you tap on it here, you will be finding an option called voice message transcripts. So you can tap on it once you find it up. And once you tap on it, you can choose up a language in which you would like to translate the voice message into. So tap on choose language. And once you do so, you can select up language. I'm just going to choose English. There are a bunch of other language available. And you can tap on setup to set it up, and it should be set up. Now it may take about some seconds for it to be downloaded. We just need to wait for that download to be completed. And once it is completed, it should be applied. Now what you need to do in order to transcribe the message is open up the chat where the voice message is located. After that, you just need to hold the message that you want to convert. After you hold it up, you can look out for the more options at the top right corner and tap on it. After you select the option, you can find the option called transcribe. So tap on it, select it, and once you select it, you should be finding the conversion being available. The transcripted text will be appearing below the voice message once you do so, and that is it. That is how you view the translation. So if you'd also like to go over and translate the voice message in WhatsApp into text, you may just head over and follow up these steps for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.